was standing in the silence with a heart that felt so lost, counting all my broken pieces, feeling every heavy cost.
Then your love came like a river, flowing through my empty soul. You restored my dreams and brought me a peace that made me whole.
When I had no strength to carry all the burdens in my way, you were there to lift my spirit. You were my hope every day. You see the tears that no one sees. You hear the prayers I quietly speak. Your kindness holds me through the night. Your grace will always be my light.
You are my miracle, the reason I believe. You gave my heart a purpose. You taught my soul to breathe.
Jesus, you are my everything, my shelter in the storm. Your love is everlasting. Your arms are where I belong.
Every sunrise tells a story of the blessings you have made. Every step I take reminds me that your love will never fade.
When the mountains rise before me and the journey feels too long, you give me faith to keep on walking. You become my victory song. Hallelujah, I surrender all my worries, all my fears. You have turned my darkest moments into hope through all these years. Let the nations sing together. Let the world proclaim your name. Your love is shining brighter like an everlasting flame. You are my miracle, the reason I believe. You gave my heart a purpose. You taught my soul to breathe. Jesus, you are my everything, my shelter in the storm. Your love is everlasting. Your arms are where I belong. Forever I will praise you. Forever I will sing. You are my hope and my salvation, my eternal